Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, we've got broccoli. I'm making a roasted broccoli with garlic scapes and crispy sage leaves. So delicious. Check it out. So I've got some garlic scapes here. That's the flower of the garlic plant. Hardneck garlic produces garlic scapes. If you don't have garlic scapes, you can use clove garlic, which would work fine. Just chop it in nice pieces. Got about 2 to 3 medium heads of broccoli. Another fun fact about broccoli, if it has long stems on it, after you remove the florets, you can actually peel that with a vegetable peeler and cut those into discs, and you get a lot more broccoli for your buck. So I'm adding some olive oil onto the broccoli. You could do this in a bowl, it's just easier to actually film doing this in a larger plate like this in a baking dish. Adding some salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and my spice mix. You can find the spice mix, it's a Georgian Caraccio spice. You can find that on my website to approximate that. Really good spice. Add the salt, add spice mix, add the garlic scapes, mix it all up. Then I'm going to take a plate and I'm going to dredge 2 stems, or sprigs I guess, of sage, just to give them a nice coating of olive oil on them. Crispy sage is one of my favorite ways to eat sage. If you have sage plants at home, oh, you are missing out. You can just make it and put it on anything or eat it raw. It's delicious. So we're going to do 2 sprigs of sage. Just get a little olive oil on those. Going to turn out my broccoli and scapes and spice onto a baking sheet with some parchment paper. I like baking on parchment paper, just works so well. And then I'm going to lay the sprigs of sage on top of that. It's going to go into a 400-degree oven about 15 minutes until the sage is crispy. And I pull it out, and then I'm going to just take the sage sprigs off, and I'm just going to crush those leaves on top. Oh man, it smells so good. Your kitchen will smell wonderful. All right, our broccoli's done. Let's give it a try. Mmm. 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 Wow, that is really tasty. Wow, it's a great way to make broccoli. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.